Angel number 0000, meaning for love, spirituality, twin flames. Hi, my name is Ashley, and welcome to You Need to Know. If you're fascinated by the mystical world of angel numbers and their profound messages, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the significance of the angel number 0000 and how it can impact your relationships, health, and career. If you're eager to unlock the spiritual guidance and transformative energy that angel number 000 offers, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Join our vibrant community and stay updated with our latest insights into the divine secrets of the universe. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. The 0000 angel number symbolizes infinite possibilities, radical self-transformation, spiritual connection, and unity. Seeing the 0000 angel number frequently is an example of universal synchronicity, with its repeating sequence correlating to messages from the divine realm. How you interpret and apply these messages depends on your intuition and the context in which the sequence appears. Frequent sightings of angel number 0000 empower life shifts and cultivate your prospects. Its primary messages are rooted in the number 0, representing potential, cycles, wholeness, and infinity. The angelic sequence amplifies Zero's energy fourfold, symbolizing profound spiritual transformations and the connection between your body and soul. It is essential to remember that 0000's amplification and signals are not guarantees of change. Instead, the sequence's appearance represents your growth and the value of channeling your spirituality to thrive. Use frequent sightings as motivation to tap into your intuition and determine the best places to apply 0000's messages. Below, we explore the 0000 angel numbers meaning across spirituality, culture, relationships, and more. The meaning of the angel number. The 0000 angel number comprises 4 core messages. 1. Divine Presence. Angel number 0000 signifies divine presence and guidance in your life, reminding you of your spiritual connections. Possibilities. 0000 represents and amplifies infinite possibilities due to its connection to the number 0. This message urges you to embrace your potential and welcome new opportunities. 3. Spiritual Awakening. Angel number 0000 indicates a phase of spiritual awakening and transformation, inviting personal growth and trust in your life's path. 4. Oneness. The sequence embodies oneness and unity, encouraging harmonious relationships and a deep understanding of interconnectedness within your journey. The first, second, and final meanings listed above are empowered by 0. The number 0 symbolizes infinity, unity, and cycles, which the sequence amplifies 4 times. The amplification has various implications, including the ending of cycles or chapters and the rewards of growth. Angel number expert Melanie Beckler states, the first and most obvious meaning of seeing 0 is oneness. Seeing it is a sign of your oneness with God, your angels, and all that is. Additionally, 0000's amplification highlights the unity of your physical and spiritual worlds. It suggests your connection to the divine is strong when these parts of you align, encouraging you to listen to your inner voice and the connection between your soul and body to find new opportunities. Why do I keep seeing angel number 0000? You might keep seeing angel number 0000 for the following 3 reasons. 1. You are undergoing a spiritual awakening. Seeing 0000 symbolizes a spiritual awakening, indicating support from the divine realm as you become more self-aware. 2. You are changing. The 0000 meaning relates to transforming into your higher self. Seeing the clock strike at midnight particularly echoes this. Midnight is a rare mirror hour, similar to the 1111 angel number, reminding you of the value of transformation and how self-growth can help you align your future with the person you want to be. 3. You have limitless potential. 0000 represents limitlessness and infinity. Therefore, frequently seeing the number is a signal to trust in your abilities and affirms that your greatest potential opportunities lie within. The 0000 angel number meaning for love. The angel number emphasizes the importance of self-development in your love life. This message urges you to focus on personal growth and nurturing your potential, whether you're in a relationship or not. 0000 echoes similar messages from other angel numbers like 999, inspiring self-investment, acceptance, and exploring your passions and interests. By doing so, you potentially cultivate a strong, magnetic frequency and the confidence to manifest a happier love life. That said, 0000 alone cannot assure a relationship for singles. You must take action to find love, with 0000 encouraging you to prioritize self-love and fulfillment if you're not in a relationship. Focusing on these aspects helps to nurture contentment, heighten your drive, and strengthen your vibrational frequency. Attracting a worthy romantic partner who aligns with your energy may then follow, bolstered by your self-development and newfound initiative. The 0000 meaning for twin flames. Angel number for twin flames signifies healing and growth to strengthen your connection. Twin flames are people who reflect your inner gifts and flaws. They function as the other half of your soul and are associated with both passion and volatility. Appearances of 0000 reflect the intense journey of your connection by calling for transformation. This journey often involves separation to motivate individual growth and reunion once both parties have healed and developed. While separated, 0000 urges introspection and self-transformation. Its symbolism encourages you to embrace new possibilities and spiritual connections to cultivate change. Meanwhile, 0000 signifies alignment and growth for reuniting twin flames. Reconnection is possible once you both have developed as individuals and healed from your past. Furthermore, repeatedly seeing 0000 after a period of separation symbolizes you have undergone healing and should trust in divine timing that a reunion is underway. The 0000 angel number and your career. Yes, 0000 is a positive career sign. Seeing the sequence in a professional setting symbolizes a fresh start if you've left a job or lost interest in your current role. It offers a blank canvas for manifesting your desired path and reminds you that rejection often leads to redirection, highlighting your potential. Sightings of angel numbers like 0000 prompt contemplation of your dream career. Consider factors like your desired work environment or work culture that will benefit your well-being. Slow down and think critically before acting, as rash decisions can lead to long-term setbacks. In other words, seeing angel number 0000 is motivation to establish your values and use them as a guide for your next career move. The spiritual significance of the 0000 angel number. Angel number 0000 spiritually signifies releasing old energies and attachments to become a better version of yourself. It encourages purging ties with what no longer serves you. This, in turn, can prompt expansion and saying yes to new opportunities. Additionally, the number reminds you that freedom comes from letting go so you can fully realize your potential. Joanne Walmsley at Sacred Scribes reaffirms 0000 spiritual message as a property of zero. She expands, the number 0 stands for potential, or choice, and when this number sequence presents and recurs, its message has to do with developing one's spiritual aspects, as 0 is considered to represent the beginning of a spiritual journey. The sequence's spiritual significance extends to other contexts as well, including other zero-rooted angel numbers. For example, 0000 and 000 both have manifestation symbolism. The main difference is that the 000 number is about attracting a partner who resonates with you. On the other hand, 0000 focuses on realizing your unique talents and purpose. The 0000 angel number across different traditions. In contrast, other spiritual practices provide distinct 0000 angel number meanings. The list below highlights 3 examples. 1. Hindu traditions. 0000 symbolizes in Hinduism nirvana, transcendence, and absolute peace. The sequence denotes the ultimate spiritual realization, union with the divine, and liberation from life's cycle. This culturally and spiritually represents the soul's union with universal consciousness and transcendent peace. 2. Hebrew traditions. 0000 has no specific meaning in Hebrew, including the Hebrew gematria. However, it corresponds to the number 132 or meturgam, which means interpreter or translator. This association suggests transmutation and change, linking 0000's message of release and growth. 3. Astrological traditions. Angel number 0000 isn't directly tied to any sun sign but resonates with Scorpio. Scorpios, as water signs, are associated with healing and change and are ruled by Pluto, the planet of transformation. 0000 similarly symbolizes major transformation and new possibilities, mirroring Scorpio's impact. The biblical perspective on 0000. There isn't a specific biblical meaning for 0000. However, the concept of zero, foundational to the angel number, holds symbolic significance in the Bible. One prominent example is the Genesis 1 verse 2 passage, "The earth was without form and void." In this case, 0 represents a state of emptiness or void. In contrast, numbers like 1111, 999, and 9999 have more overt biblical connotations of sovereignty, finality, and divine completeness, respectively. The 1111 sequence embodies God's sovereignty due to the foundational nature of 1, while the number 9 particularly symbolizes completion and atonement as Jesus died in the 9th hour. 0000 is less significant as it doesn't have a direct biblical association. However, it can be linked to the idea of emptiness before creation through its connection to 0. What to do when you see angel number 0000? When you frequently encounter the angel number 0000, it's a powerful sign that invites you to take specific actions to align your life with its profound messages of transformation, unity, and infinite possibilities. Here's what you can do. 1. Embrace self-reflection. Take time to meditate or journal about your current life situation. Reflect on your goals, desires, and the areas where you seek growth or change. Ask yourself what aspects of your life need transformation and how you can align more closely with your true self. 2. Cultivate your spiritual practice. Engage in activities that enhance your spiritual connection, such as meditation, prayer, or spending time in nature. Explore spiritual teachings and practices that resonate with you to deepen your understanding and connection with the divine. 3. Pursue personal growth. Identify specific areas for personal development, such as learning a new skill, improving your health, or working on emotional healing. Set actionable goals and take consistent steps towards self-improvement and achieving your highest potential. 4. Seek unity and connection. Focus on building harmonious relationships with those around you. Communicate openly, practice empathy, and nurture connections that uplift and support you. Consider how you can contribute to a sense of community and interconnectedness in your personal and professional life. 5. Open yourself to new possibilities. Be open to new opportunities and experiences that come your way. Trust that the universe is guiding you toward paths that will enhance your growth and fulfillment. Embrace change with a positive mindset and view challenges as opportunities for transformation and learning. 6. Let go of what no longer serves you. Identify and release negative patterns, relationships, or habits that are hindering your progress. Understand that letting go creates space for new, positive energies to enter your life. Practice forgiveness, both for yourself and others, to free yourself from past burdens and move forward with a light heart. 7. Trust in divine timing. Have faith that everything is unfolding as it should. Trust in the divine plan for your life and remain patient as you work toward your goals. Recognize that sometimes, periods of waiting or uncertainty are essential for your personal growth and alignment with your true path. By taking these actions, you can harness the powerful energy of the 0000 angel number to create meaningful and lasting change in your life. Remember, the appearance of 0000 is a reminder that you are supported by the divine and have infinite potential within you. Embrace this message with confidence and take proactive steps to transform your life. Thank you for joining us on You Need to Know. If you're fascinated by the world of angel numbers and want to learn more about the spiritual guidance they offer, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This way, you'll never miss any of our latest content. Join our community to explore the mysteries of the universe and decipher the hidden meanings behind these divine numbers. Let's embark on this journey of spiritual discovery together.